Hey, look, stop.
I want some stuff. I want a t-shirt.
Wait. Luke, stop. Okay, this, Christian.
Wait, does it say Luke too?
No, it says this Christian. Now this
Yes.
is a logo there. Whoa.
That's for all of us. Whoa. Did they sign it?
That's awesome. That's Clay Matthews, and that's probably.
I hope that one's mine.
That's to you and Dad.
Wow.
Yes! To Luke, Ralph, and Carson.
Mine.
Oh!
Clay Matthews.
shirt.
Wow,
This is
t-shirt.
awesome.
What's yours? Great. Clay Matthews.
Even Lady is excited.
Is this my size?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. What did you get, Sid?
I got this awesome shirt.
That's it. Is it from the Eagles? The Eagles?
Whoa, this has glass on it. It's
It's
like some sort of picture.
Packers. Yep, it's the Packers. Can I see? What, John? What did you get?
Whoa, you already got it. You got